school nurtures children academically, emotionally, socially, and spiritually, creating a balanced and supportive environment where every child can thrive.
I'm Agnes Stowicki, Managing Editor with Our Kids. We're speaking with insiders from Canada's leading private and independent schools to bring you insights into school programs, culture, traditions, and leadership. This includes insights from parents, alumni, and administration. This is the Our Kids Insider Perspective.
Choosing the right school for our children was quite a challenge. We had gone to a handful of different private schools and found that none of them were really aligned with the environment that we envisioned for our kids, which is one that supports intellectual, emotional, and social growth. We were looking for curriculum that was hands on, outdoor based, and with a variety of activities and different learning styles that would cater to our children's learning needs. And with an emphasis on exploration, nature, and integrating mind and body activities into daily routine. Equally important was a strong sense of community where respect, kindness, and genuine care were modeled by students and educators. What stood out most about the New Earth Wonder School was its unique approach, outdoor learning, and a holistic development. Um, the environment felt calm and intentional, and the teachers were warm and invested. The children were engaged, and they seemed really happy when we went in for our tour.
Ultimately, the school felt like a natural extension of our values: creativity, connection to nature, honoring each child's individuality. That's why we chose this school. We believe it's a place where our children can grow into confident, compassionate individuals, guided by curiosity and grounded in a strong sense of self and community. It feels good knowing they're learning in an environment that not only challenges their minds, but also nurtures their hearts. Our children have responded incredibly well at the New Earth Wonders School. We've noticed a deeper sense of calm, curiosity, and confidence in them,
Mm.
uh, both in school and at home. They
Mm.
often come home excited to share what they've learned, whether it's a nature based activity, a story, or even a mindful practice.
Yeah, and the strong sense of community and respect modeled at school has also translated into more empathy and emotional awareness in their interactions outside of the school, particularly at home. It's really beautiful to see them grow in such a nurturing, holistic environment. Our children most appreciate the freedom to explore and express themselves at the New Earth Wonder School. What they talk about most are the outdoor adventures, outdoor walks, gardening, tennis, skating, and recently fishing, which has truly sparked their curiosity.
Yeah, like the variety of hands on, creative, movement based activities has opened doors to interests that we never even expected, like identifying plants, acting, learning a new instrument, um, explaining about how bees pollinate, and even mindful breathing. It's been amazing to watch them try new things with excitement and discover parts of themselves that traditional classrooms would never explore. As parents, what stands out most to us is the incredible variety of activities and the creative, child centered approach to learning.
Mhm.
The way lessons are integrated into movement, nature, and art makes learning feel alive and meaningful.
But I think what truly sets the school apart is the warmth, care, and genuine investment of the teachers.
Mhm.
They really see each child as an individual and meet them with such compassion and presence. It's very clear that this is more than just a school. It's a nurturing community where children are supported to grow, explore, and thrive. What surprised us most about the school is how seamlessly character development was integrated into daily learning. Alongside creative academics and outdoor exploration, there's a strong focus on nurturing values like kindness, empathy, and respect rooted in Christian principles. These aren't just taught, they're actually practiced.
It's been inspiring to see our children grow, not only intellectually, but also spiritually and socially through meaningful social outreach programs like cooking for the elderly, visiting senior homes. They have an upcoming Humber River cleanup where they go along the Humber, which is in their backyard essentially, and they clean
Mhm.
and they also plant.
One of the most beautiful aspects of the New Earth Wonder School is a strong sense of connection amongst the families. There's a shared commitment to Christian values, mutual respect, and a desire to raise children with intention and purpose. Families are warm, welcoming, and genuinely invested in building supportive community.
Yeah, like whether it's through school events, shared volunteer
Mm,
efforts, or simply simple day-to-day interactions, there's a spirit of togetherness and
yeah.
connectedness that makes everyone feel like they belong to something meaningful.
I think the school has created an opportunity to allow our child to feel proud of their growth and contributions in meaningful ways. For our older daughter, learning how to skate and fish were really big milestones that boosted her confidence and sense of accomplishment.
Yeah, and for our younger daughter, being given the chance to use her natural leadership skills
Mm.
to help guide classroom activities has made her feel valued and empowered. These moments reflect how the school recognizes and nourishes each children's unique strengths,
Mm.
helping them feel proud of who they are and what they're capable of. The interaction between the administration and the teachers have been amazing.
Mhm.
Like we're really happy. Communication is warm, consistent, and thoughtful. One of the things we really appreciate is having uh, access to daily updates about what our children are doing, sending photos of their day on a shared platform.
Yeah, and it gives us a clear window into their day and provides great conversation starters at home, after school, during dinner. And it allows us to stay connected to our children, their learning, and their experiences at school.
Some of the core values at the New Earth Wonders School is respect for self, respect for others,
Mm.
and respect for the natural world. And what stands out is how intentionally this is put into practice every day.
And whether it's through the way children care for the environment or towards one another, I think it's how they're encouraged to express themselves with kindness and curiosity. This value is lived out in every part of their school day, And it creates a culture where each child feels seen, safe, and empowered to grow. We would say that the three meaningful reasons we would recommend the New Earth Wonder School to other families would be first, it's a whole child approach. So the school nurtures children academically, emotionally, socially, and spiritually, creating a balanced and supportive environment where every child can thrive.
I think the second reason would be its strong values and community. Like it's rooted in Christian values. The school fosters a deep sense of respect, kindness, and connection, both among students and within the parent community.
And I think the third reason would be it's a creative, nature based learning program. I mean, there's a lot of parts to it, but all in all, it's a hands on, activities driven outdoor educational curriculum that focuses on exploration, and it encourages curiosity, confidence, and a love of learning that truly is unique and engaging ways.
My advice to other families looking for a school they'll be truly satisfied with is to look beyond academics. Consider the environment as a whole. Ask yourself, like, does this school nurture my kid's heart, mind, spirit? Look for a place where my kid, your kid, will feel seen and respected, supported, and where values align with your own.
Also, I would suggest to visit the school, observe the teachers and their interactions with the students, speak to other parents if you could, um, even the administration, and prepare a list of questions that you and your partner, or even just if it's yourself, that really satisfies what you're looking for, and have those questions answered. And look for a school that fosters community, creativity, and character development, not just performance. Um, and that will have a lasting impact on your child's growth and well being.
We found the new school. We went to their Christmas market. That's how
Mhm.
we were like, let's see what the community is about and how they are as a whole, as a school. And we fell in love with that.
Yeah, it was a place where we were able to observe parents, children, how the community interacted with one another,
Mhm.
and how they celebrated that time of year, and uh, how they played a part in the community. We then, after, booked a tour, and then had all of our questions answered.
Mhm.
For more information about this school, you can visit their profile at ourkids.net.